How's everybody doing today? Today I decided, I don't know, I'm going to try to do something with my hair. A while back when I did a hair video, the last time I did one, I had mentioned that I was going to let the gray just grow out my hair. I got tired of dyeing it. Sometimes I'm tempted and sometimes I decide to leave it alone. As you can see, most of it is gray up here at the top now. But it's still some of my original color left. Anyway, what I've been doing lately, I keep seeing this advertisement for the Batana Oil. So finally, after hearing so much how good it is, it'll grow your edges, it'll grow your hair, all this stuff, I decided to purchase some, give it a try. Now, years ago, when I was in the hospital, I was on morphine because I've had 3 back surgeries. And I don't know what it was. I don't know, blame it on the drugs. I have no idea what caused it. But I would lay in the bed and I would just grab this. It was like a tick and I couldn't control it. I've mentioned it several times in some past videos. But yeah, I would just lay here and just pluck out my edges. And mostly this side. Then I started working on this one. This one is not too bad. By the time I got over here, I had a little bit more control. But yeah, over here. So I'm trying this out, to see if it'll actually grow my edges back. I decided to go ahead and purchase it and just give it a try. It smells like chocolate. It smells like some type of coffee or something. It smells good. It smells like a cappuccino or something. I don't drink it cappuccino, but it smells like one. Anyway, I just put some and rub it here. Now I've heard different instructions that you should leave it on for maybe a few hours and rinse it out. Now we as black people, we don't wash our hair every day. And then they reached out to me and told me, no, you can, leave it in your hair for a few days or whatever. So anyway, I've been putting it here now. I need to get a close-up on my scalp because it looks like, I don't know if it's because my gray hair is, I know I look bad. My gray hair is camouflaging it, but the baldness does not. I'm looking over here as well at a bigger grain. Look like maybe, I don't know. See there? If anything is happening. But like I said, I've just started using it, so I have to give it a chance. Yeah. So yeah, I've had my hair twist up a few days. I've been using the Cream of Nature products. But yeah, what I'm going to do is just run this through my scalp once I take these twists out. Because I'm at home every day, so I just put in a protective style. I had flat ironed it. Then, of course, being hot, it got sweaty. So having a flat iron here wasn't working in all this heat. So I just put some stuff, moisturize it with the Cream of Nature. And I forgot what it's called. I'll show you. And put that there and it softened my hair up. Because I was shedding. And that would concern me. I'm on a lot of different drugs, so I thought blaming on the drugs, I don't know. I know when you don't comb your hair every day, you're going to lose, what they say, 50 to 100 strands a day. So, okay. But to me, it just seemed like I think it was just dry. Even though I tried to oil it, I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm trying to go back to when my hair looked healthy and just thick and beautiful when I first got into the natural hair thing. Because I used to flat iron it all the time. And then I decided to go natural. See, I'm pulling out loose hairs. But I guess that's normal because, you probably can't see it. A few grays. Because it's been twisted up for a few days. I'm just running my fingers through trying to pull out any loose hairs. Yeah, but my plan is to go ahead and put some of this in there for a while. Massage it into my scalp. And let it sit there for a while. And I'll probably wash it. Ouch. Oops. Put a knot in there. I'll probably wash it tomorrow. Gosh, I'm ripping out hair. Look at that. Look at all that hair. Okay, you see that? To me, that's a concern. Don't do all that. Just pulling out a lot of hair. Hey, hair is dry. And like I said, I'm going to use this Batana Oil. It's got some length on it. Let's see if I can stand up here. I'm just... I always clip my ends maybe once every 2 months. Still pulling out hair. Years ago, I did a review on this. This is the Emerson Scalp Massager. And this gets in there. Oh, that feels good. Sometimes I like to use it right here, you know, where my little thin spot is. Yeah, so I'm just going to twist this up and leave it like this for a while. Let the stuff get in there and do what it does. Sometimes it kind of stings a little bit. I don't know if that'll happen to you. That's just my experience. I guess that means it's doing its job. So yeah, I mean, because of what I'm going through right now, I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of DIY. Oh my God, hair is everywhere. Jeez Louise. I'm not going to be doing a lot of DIY projects for a while. Probably some shorts or something like that, some YouTube shorts, because I can't sit here for hours like I used to and try to film a video. And you put so much work into this stuff. And sometimes I'm not always happy with my videos because I feel nobody want to watch them. I get a few, you know, views. But it's just something I enjoy doing, you know. I get a few views, fine. I have 840 subscribers. So evidently somebody is watching it and like it. Then I have 200 something over on the Curlypdub. Anyway, I am going to check out of here right now. Relax, watch some television, let this stuff sit in my scalp. When I decide to do my hair, I actually wash, deep condition, twist out, use the products. I'll come back and share that with you. Let me tell you, the amount of hair that I pulled from my head is just ridiculous. This is in the shower. And I'm not done because I'm going to deep condition. I put deep conditioner in there. I'm going to put the cap on, sit on the dryer, heating cap for about 30 minutes, maybe longer. And when I'm done, by the time I'm finished, I'm going to be combing out more hair. This is insane. This is what I combed out yesterday when it was dry. And I twisted it up and slept on it overnight. Then just got out the shower to wash it and deep condition it. And I ran out of plastic cap, so I'm going to use this shower cap. Okay, I set the timer for 30 minutes. It's another day of washing my hair. I have filmed a previous hair wash and I just haven't edited yet, which I think I'm going to combine this in with it. So this is a week later, I believe. I'll have to check the dates. Anyway, washing it. This is what I combed out so far today in the shower. I don't know what's going on. I've been leaving my hair twisted up. I use I've been trying out that Batana Oil to see if it'll help, you know, grow my edges back. need to go cool off in the living room in front of the fan because I am sweating like a racehorse. Sweating bullets, as they say. Thought I'd braid. I'll put it in 4 sections and braid it from the scalp, and then the rest I'm just going to twist it down for now. And then I'll decide, do I really want to flat iron this or waste my time flat ironing it seriously, or just comb. Oh yeah, this is what I combed out my hair. I don't know if this is natural for somebody who hasn't combed their hair in almost 2 weeks. I don't remember it being that bad. I could be overreacting. I don't like that. These are some images of when I thought my hair was a lot healthier and thicker. And this is a wig that I purchased. I dyed it to match my natural hair. I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.